For latest updates and short audio clips, follow us on Instagram, Reading the Author.
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast Reading the Author, a unique show where we read authors' mind and not their book. Meanwhile, I truly believe and pray that you and your families are completely safe and healthy as well. Today we have Satish Shitut sir with us, the author of Effective Rule. Thank you so much sir for coming on our show. We are highly grateful कि आप हमारे शो पर आए.
My pleasure as well.
Okay, so sir, like before we get into the podcast और हम आपकी बुक के बारे में, आपकी लाइफ के बारे में, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में और जानें, I would request you to please introduce yourself from your side ताकि हमारी ऑडियंस को एक ब्रीफ मिल जाए कि आज पॉडकास्ट में हमारे साथ कौन है.
Tough ask, but I'll try. Well, I'm Satish Shitut. I'm 66-year-old now. My childhood was as usual, like most of us, which is very common, playful, naughty, and no studies. As far as youth was concerned, it was full of energy, activities, and spent on enjoying life, as well as achieving my financial and physical goals. Middle age, which is the cycle of life which we all go through, was wholesomely and lovingly spent with family, kids, and working on your professional and somewhat spiritual approach towards life. And I was fortunate enough to have started working at the age of 19, retired at the age of 55. And at that point of time, apart from working for these many years, I started my own business by the name of Rule Services, which catered for what we call the leisure travel, and also managed a web portal for golfing community by the name of mygolfcommune.com, which catered to the events, the sports, and the various related activities to golfing in Pune. And I did that for last 10 years. In fact, the company which I formed was by the name of Rule Services. And after writing this book, my journey is yet again a new approach towards fulfillment and spiritual ascendancy. That's how I look at it.
So sir, like ये अपने book last year release हुई थी in the month of December, right?
Yes.
तो आप बता सकते हैं like when was that first thought just stuck in your mind कि नहीं अब मुझे एक book भी लिखनी है, beside doing all these things, कब आपने सोचा या फिर वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज थी जिसने आपको मोटिवेट किया या इंस्पायर किया बुक लिखने के लिए?
It's a long answer. Would you like to listen?
Definitely, sir.
Means basically I'm not a writer, and writing was never my forte. As you all can recall, COVID forced us to shut down and in fact just stay at home. And in fact, being a senior, I was more forced to, apart from other conditions, by the family. You're not supposed to go out. Simple. I hope you went through the same, right?
Definitely.
Which started somewhere in March, if I'm not wrong, that year. March, April के आसपास.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
तो शुरुआत में जो भी आप करते हो हमने भी किया कि भाई बोर होते थे, टीवी देखो, I went into cooking and all that stuff. And I got bored of it. I said, that's not the way I want to live and spend my time productively. So I started writing articles.
Okay.
And on social media. So all the people who were on social media in touch with me reverted with a lot of encouragement, and they said, boss, your content is good, why don't you write a book? Well, यार ये टांग खींच रहे हैं. In fact, my wife also told me, Satish, on social media everybody likes it and everybody talks like this, so don't get carried away. But nonetheless, I still asked my few seniors who are in spirituality, who live principled and a life full of values, and who have lived life effectively. So they said, boss, your content is good, and it is a very valuable content for anybody and everybody, because that's part and parcel of our life. So go ahead. Go ahead, mil gaya. Encouragement I got there. So that was the encouragement part. But you need to have content, right?
Definitely.
And this is what the content I have been sown in my mind in terms of practical experience, approach, and usage. I would say right from 2002. Okay, boss, this works after having gone through various personality courses, reading few books here and there, some courses. I said rule is a process which can be worked on, and I started working on rule process personally. And in fact, 2010, as I shared earlier, when I started Rule Services, the very fact that I named my company Rule Services, and the rule doesn't stand for anything else but respect, understand, love, and evolve. And then I applied that rule between 2010 to till the COVID with my customers, with colleagues, friends, relatives, and in my daily business and living life. It worked. So it was there. And COVID came, and people encouraged me, and that's how it began. And once it got into it, then within 4 months I finished math.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, as you know that the book is released and it is performing really well on Amazon, I just saw. But sir, there must be some sort of people जिन्होंने अभी तक इस बुक को पढ़ा नहीं होगा, right? और इस पॉडकास्ट को सुनने के बाद वो उसको एक्सप्लोर करना चाहेंगे. तो फ्रॉम अ रीडर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, what they can expect, आप अगर कुछ बुक के इनसाइट हमें दे पाएं, like what a reader can expect from this book?
Very good question. Basically, as far as reader is concerned, I would say for them it's a practical handbook on life and work balance, survival, coexistence, and reaching beyond. Because the book speaks about in 3 parts. The first part speaks about the various things which are around us, which we need to take care of, understand, and keep it in mind while developing our own life or evolving our own life and career. At the same time, there are circumstances which are again evolving all the time, different types, which also we have to overcome and face. And last but not the least, develop a process of your own self to counter the internal battles as well as fight the external battles and evolve as a good human being to be effective in life, which naturally brings in other things. So values and virtues and become byproducts of it. And thus, this process was written. So as far as a reader is concerned, in short, I feel he should be able to relate to it. He should be able to feel, oh, I'm going through this. C, he should feel, oh, it's so easy. D, that thought process should be sown in his mind that rule is the essence of life. And once he or she does that, life is just easy. Everything which is so-called stressful, we have to do this, we have to do that, sorry. It becomes very simple. And the book should act as a ready reckoner also in times of either euphoria, when they have very success which can go to your head, or during the downtime. Because during downtime also you need to refer to something, or you need some inspiration somewhere.
True.
And this works as a ready reckoner is the way I look at it. It's close to life and simple.
So my next question to this podcast is most of the authors are working to create an impact on their readers' mind. They want to be known, or we can say that remembered as a certain genre writer. So what sort of impact do you want to create on readers' mind? Like say from a couple of years from now, अगर कोई book देखता है कि okay, it's a book by Satish sir. So what that sudden thought that जो तुरंत mind में click करता है कि अच्छा इन्होंने book लिखी है तो वो कैसी होगी? Is there any sort of personal branding going behind that, या आप एक अपना कोई impact छोड़ना चाहते हैं readers के mind पे कि अच्छा ठीक है वो जब मेरा नाम ले तो उनको एक कोई feeling उनको याद आए, something like that?
Basically means I should put my journey across to you so that it will evolve as to what exactly I ended up. Let me put it across. I'm not a writer. I've not done it for any social recognition or anything else. I felt this work, so why not share? It was a purely 5S. The situation was COVID. Solution was write a book, and I had the spirit to share what solutions are there and which are somewhat spiritual in sense. So all these factors made me write this book to share. Having done that, yes, definitely. The next 3 years, or maybe it may go up to 5 years, first I want to spread this message across in various forms, whether it is sessions, lectures, activities, reaching across to libraries and all that stuff. And in the next 3 years, I want to see how this impacts people. And having learned that myself over 3 years, I would write a book from effectiveness to oneness. Because while writing this book, one thing stood out very clearly. One thing stands out very clearly when I play golf. You might have experienced it, is any activity of your life, if there is no oneness in that activity, there is no total involvement, there is no total surrender, there is no other thing coming into mind which is part and parcel of our personal baggages, then only you achieve your results. So that, if next 3 years I'm going to try to brand myself, I'm going to try to share this message, and depending upon my own experiences, on the efforts and efficacy of my struggle, that would help me write the next book to move from effective life to oneness. Means effectiveness to oneness is the next stage of living life effectively beyond rule. Means, for example, these vaccines which have come, the efficacy is anything between 50 to 90%. So the efficacy of rule is say 50%. But that's not enough. You need to evolve, you need to grow, you need to do better.
True.
So how to go from 50 to 90 is what I will personally try myself in the next 3 years, and possibly you can think about expecting another book, Effectiveness to Oneness.
Okay.
Current thinking.
Okay. So like beside इन सारी चीज़ों के अलावा, like अभी आप जैसे आपने बताया कि 3 साल तक तो इसी चीज़ को spread करना है, right? And
Yes.
after that, will that book come, or in between it will?
Now this is a process, and as you see, you saw the rule book came so fast. Now
4 months.
effectiveness to oneness will, I think, take that 3 years, because I need to have that practical experience. And secondly, there are always chances for me to come out versions of rule, because I feel rule is a very good tool to share with anybody and everybody between the age of 15 to 45. All of us need this rule in life. We need it, the society needs it, the nation needs it. Anybody and everybody needs to have rule as a fundamental principle in their life. So for me, I just want to share this more and more, make this better, and make the book better version, so that it grows international also. That's the way I'm looking at it, if I can make it happen. And I'll try.
Okay, so you're looking at the bigger picture. So, sir, what I personally feel, जैसा कि आपने बताया कि after the lockdown आपने book लिखने की सोची. So after the first lockdown, numbers of writers got increase. Like hundreds of books are being published every week, we can say. Even the publishing has become so easy. Kindle publishing आ गया, self publishing है, बहुत सारे ऐसे publication houses आ गए जिन्होंने इस steps को बहुत easy बना दिया. So as of now, what sort of competition do you feel in this industry? Like sort of we can say a neck to neck competition कि मुझे stand out करना है, या मुझे लोगों तक ज़्यादा पहुँचना है, ये कैसे हो पाएगा? या फिर आप उन लोगों में से हैं जो सोचते हैं कि in creativity there's no sort of competition, everyone is in their own race, हर book का अपना reader होता है. What's your take on this?
A very, very tough question, because I'm myself struggling. Writing is different, publishing is different, marketing is different,
Completely.
and increasing your followership is different. So all these aspects. So ek hone ke baad you have to do the other three also. So I'm in the initial stage of it. Yes, is competition? Yes, like for example, to put it across in my own example, I'm a new kid on the block, unknown personality. No credentials in those terms ke bhai IIM hai, he has done this, or those an intellectual or a spiritual guru. There's nothing in me. I'm just a common man. So definitely it's going to be tough on me. But as they say in life, take each step forward. If you have a content, and if you feel that content is reader friendly, and what we call in terms of value to the customer, reader, whichever terms you call it, then there are always chances of your following and the readers increasing. And later on, it becomes word to mouth, and the more you grow, the more money comes in, or the more efforts go into it, and then it becomes a multiplier effect. But it could take a long time. Competition is there. The new readers are, the writers are coming in hordes, because everybody thinks it's easy. Yes, writing is easy from that matter. But publishing, marketing, and
sustaining.
if you are interested in getting into the higher bracket, it is a tough call.
Definitely, sir. So as of now, sir, do you have any particular writing schedule? Like, आप दिन में कुछ घंटे devote करते हैं for your writing, or it's like random, जैसा basically मेरे साथ होता है कि कभी कोई thought आया तो phone में या डायरी में लिख लिया, फिर बाद में बैठ के लिख रहे हैं. Like, how does it goes with you?
As far as I'm concerned, when I wrote the book, it was COVID, so full time for me, so there was no issue of time concerned. But today, as I'm doing other things as well, yes, time is a constraint. And as this is a one-man show, as far as the book is concerned, I'm working on the projects in terms of marketing it at various places. So that takes a lot of time, and writing currently is just small, what we call intuition-based thought process, which takes mind in my, which takes seed in the mind. At that point of time, try and convert into your writing in some form, and keep it aside. And if the flow is there, continue the flow till you can manage, and then rewrite, do whatever you think, improvisations later on. But whenever, if the thought process is already in the mind, and those thoughts, when they come, I personally feel we should note them down and then develop later.
So, sir, as of now, we have talked about your book, about your journey, about your personal branding, vision, and everything. Now, coming to your personal life, can you share with us, like, what was the most happiest moment of your life? I know there must be many, but if you can, just share one of them with us.
Yeah, which was the recent, frankly speaking, the happiest moment was when I wrote this book and dedicated the book to my grandmother. Frankly speaking, this book is all, or the content, majority of the content is from her life, 100 years. In fact, there's a brief story at the start of the book itself. 100 years of life, she lived effectively and happily. She got married, I think, at the age of 14, and at the age of 23 with 3 kids, she was a widow, thrown out of the house, not educated. And then she left her 2 children in her parents' house. With her infant, she went to her auntie's place, and then grew in stature, everything. She started studying, raised the kids, raised grandchildren also, and reached the highest level of government service in nursing, which is the Superintendent of Nursing, Maharashtra. After retiring at 60 years of age, 40 years to live effectively and happily and die peacefully and happily after celebrating 100 years. So these, everybody used to talk about this lady as an iron lady, as a loving lady, as an icon. And everybody used to talk about writing also. But when the rule which is come out of seeing her life as well, and when I dedicated this book and wrote that with her photo in the book, that's the only photo which is in the book in terms of photo. That I think, apart from the book writing, it was that dedicating to my grandmother, who deserves, and our whole family owes it to her for whatever we are. So I think that was for me the happiest moment. Otherwise, there are so many of them. Every second time, every small euphoric moment is happy moment.
In fact, sir, जैसे आपने शेयर किया तो मुझे भी मेरी स्टोरी याद आ गई. I would like to share with you. When I was in class 9th, तो I guess it was around 2011, 2010 ऐसा कुछ टाइम था. तो वाराणसी से कुछ दूर पे अपना अराउंड 60 to 70 किलोमीटर एक छोटा सा शहर है, गाजीपुर नाम है वहाँ का. तो देयर आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी, एंड वहाँ पे कुछ हुआ था, कोई मेरे स्कूल में शायद शॉर्ट राइटिंग कंपटीशन या शॉर्ट स्टोरी कंपटीशन, समथिंग लाइक दैट, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ अपने से बना के कोई स्टोरी लिखी थी, तो मेरे टीचर्स ने बहुत मतलब मुझे प्रेज किया था कि नहीं आप बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं। तो दोस्तों ने भी मतलब, तो उस वक्त हुआ कि नहीं कुछ मैं भी लिखता हूँ, मैं बुक लिखता हूँ एक्चुअली। तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने 5-6 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज लिखी, और था क्या कि कभी किसी को कुछ लिखने का या बुक पब्लिशिंग का कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस था नहीं, ना मेरे घर में या स्कूल में जो था, तो वो किसी ने फिर शेयर नहीं किया उस चीज़ को, या जो भी था। तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने अपने घर से उस 5-6 स्टोरीज को प्रिंट करवाया, और एक प्रिंटर वाले के पास मतलब प्रिंटिंग प्रेस में गया, तो फिर वहाँ पे मैंने उसके बुक कवर डिज़ाइन करवाई, सारी चीज़ें करवाई। तो मैंने खुद से उसको सेल्फ पब्लिश करके, उसको मतलब प्योरली सेल्फ पब्लिश, 100% सेल्फ पब्लिश थी वो, उसको मैंने 5-6 कॉपीज प्रिपेयर की। और मुझे याद है कि मैंने भी उसमें मतलब पहले ही अपने बाबा और दादी को मैंने उस चीज़ को डेडिकेट किया हुआ था उसके फ्रंट पेज पे ही। तो बट वो लोग उस वक्त थे नहीं कि मैं उन्हें दे पाऊँ स्टिल। सो मैंने उसको मतलब चढ़ाया वढ़ाया कि भाई उन लोगों के लिए है, तो सभी लोग बहुत खुश हुए। अब जब सोचता हूँ तो लगता है कि अगर उस वक्त सही गाइडेंस मिला होता या जो भी हुआ होता कुछ मतलब, और उसको अगर बेटर कर पाते तो फिर काफ़ी सही रहता है। तो इस वजह से है क्या कि मैं मतलब हर साल ऑलमोस्ट अपने शहर में जाके राइटिंग एंड कंपटीशन यही सारी चीज़ें करवाता हूँ, और मतलब फील फ्री कर देता हूँ सबको कि अगर कुछ भी पूछना हो राइटिंग से रिलेटेड तो प्लीज़ मतलब कंसर्न करें या पूछें, क्योंकि जैसा मेरे साथ हुआ ऐसा किसी और के साथ ना हो, या फिर कोई अगर लिखना चाहता है तो उसको, बिकॉज होता क्या है सर ने कि जैसे बड़े शहर का तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ पता नहीं है इतना खास, बट हमारे इस साइड में जैसे अगर अभी भी आप कुछ रूरल एरियाज में देखें या नॉर्थ ईस्ट के साइड आए पूर्वांचल में बेसिकली, तो आप अभी भी ये चीज़ फील कर पाएंगे कि राइटिंग को या ऑथर्स को उतना कभी भी इंकरेजमेंट नहीं मिलता है। वो अभी भी लोग डॉक्टर इंजीनियर्स के पीछे ही मतलब वो रहते हैं। इनफैक्ट अगर बच्चा बोले भी कि आई वांट टू परस्यू इट एज अ साइड थिंग, तब पर भी होता है कि अच्छा ठीक है पहले कर लो उसके बाद फिर जो होगा सोचना। सो यही था सर, मैंने भी वही सेम चीज थी। Okay, so sir, my next question to you of this podcast is like आपने अपनी लाइफ के इतने सारे साल में बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे होंगे, so as of now आप क्या सजेशन देना चाहेंगे फॉर दोज हु आर गोइंग थ्रू अ टफ टाइम्स, या फिर उनकी लाइफ में जब टफ टाइम आता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रोक हो जाते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा वो नेगेटिविटी की तरफ चले जाते हैं, so what would be your advice for them?
Simple advice है, read the book and follow the rule. Okay, that means leave. I'm not promoting the book, but trust me, that's what it's all about. That's what this rule. Respect the situation. I hope you subscribe what I'm saying now. Understand the makings and the reasons why it has happened, and lovingly is unconditionally, without expectations. Try and see what is the solution there, how to overcome that, and just do it. If you fail, again reinvent the wheel. We're saying, did I go anything wrong in understanding it? Did I understand the value or the reasons why it has happened? And can I address it better? That's what respect, understand, love, and evolve is all about. That's what any given situation, stress, is now you feel what to do, correct? So respect that situation. Now, why this happened to me also happens to us. Yes. So analyze that, why this happened, and how I can address it. What is the solution? So again, I wrote the book is the same sense. The situation was COVID. What was the solution? So I tried to see the solution. And when there is a solution, do you have a substance? Like, how can you address it? Address it. And if it works, perfectly. If it doesn't work, try again. Try other methods. Speak to people. Speak to your own subconscious mind. And leave the emotions aside. Leave those negative thoughts. But when you are working on this aspect, which is the positive aspect, वो negativity निकल जाती है. I am repeating again. The whole thing of rule is focus on what can I do, how to do, and why to do, and I want to get a result out of it. जब यही चीज है तो नेगेटिविटी ऑटोमेटिकली निकल जाती है, और ये एक प्रोसेस है. इसको फॉलो करना है, और जब ये प्रैक्टिस बन जाती है आपकी डेली लाइफ की, तो इट बिकम्स इजियर. हैप्पीनेस एंड सॉरोनेस दे कम ऑल्टरनेटिंगली. सर, आई होप यू एग्री.
बिल्कुल.
कोई चीज परमानेंट तो है नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये होने वाली है, कम भी होगा नीचे भी होगा, तो ये दोनों को हैप्पीनेस को भी उतना रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए। हैप्पीनेस में मैं इतना रिस्पेक्टफुल इतना यूफोरिक नहीं होना चाहिए बाकी सब भूल जाओ। गिव ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट to each of any situation, success, effectivity, relationships, आप उसको रिस्पेक्ट सब करो, अंडरस्टैंड करो, एंड अंडरस्टैंड इज अ गेटवे टू लव। प्यार से हो गया तो सर कुछ नहीं है जिंदगी में। ये 3 चीजें हैं वो आपको कहां से कहां ले जाती है। और जब you are good as a person, your values are good, when your principles are good, all the values come automatically. I don't know whether you subscribe to what I'm saying.
Definitely. Okay.
That's what it is. Think about it loudly later on also. This is the essence of life. And go into detailed study of what respect means, how it is, how it works, understanding love क्या चीज होती है, love किस फॉर्म में मिलती है। ये तीनों चीजें डालेंगे तो वो स्ट्रेस वगैरह सब it's a matter of temporary issue, and positive रहते हैं आप throughout. Because you're trying to find solutions, you're trying to get out of any situation, you're trying to overcome a situation. You're not saying मुझे हो गया और बैठ गए, प्रॉब्लम आएगा ना आपको।
बिल्कुल इनफैक्ट आपको उसी में और
so you don't, what I would say is stress is okay to give it in a different format. Anxiety तो हर एक को रहेगी ना, कभी भी रहती है, correct?
True.
जब anxiety stretch हो जाती है, then it leads towards stress. तो एंजाइटी ही आप मार रहे हो, आप सीधा एंजाइटी से सिचुएशन में जा रहे हो and trying to address the situation. ये अब क्या होगा? प्लान ए, प्लान बी, प्लान सी, प्लान डी, प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच।
Okay, so
it's the way I look at it.
बिल्कुल सर। इनफैक्ट अपना व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ, सर अगर पूछा जाए कि लेट्स से कि जब आपकी बुक रिलीज हो रही थी तो what was going in your mind कि आप were you feeling stressed, nervous, relaxed, excited, या फिर आपने कोई माइलस्टोन सेट किया था कि ठीक है मैं इतने इस एज में मैंने बुक लिखी है, मुझे इतने लोग जानते हैं तो बुक को इतना सेल करना पड़ेगा, या some sort of milestone, क्या चल रहा था आपके माइंड में उस वक्त?
मुंगेरी लाल के सपने देख रहा था। नहीं, jokes apart, seriously. यार बड़ी अच्छी चीज लिखी है ना। Let me put it across. Having lived that content, having seen that content, even now you can feel I'm so enthusiastic and ये conviction है मेरे में उस चीज के मामले में। तो उस चक्कर में I was looking at my सपने तो देखते हैं ना, और तो सतीश पॉपुलर होगा, ये बुक धड़ल्ले से बिक रही है, everybody is raving about it, comments are coming, reviews are coming, कुछ नहीं होता है। That's the later part, but that's what it was. So frankly speaking, there was no this was the dreams part of it, but when I come to the practical part of it, yes, there are a lot of difficulties. It's book आपने तो लिख दी तो आपका तो काम हो गया, publishing में काफी issues आते हैं, so I recommend people that they can go to a professional publisher to get good guidance, though it costs money, any services cost money, so they should be willing to pay. But self-publishing on your own, आपने तो किया है तो you can be much better off there. It's not easy for anybody and everybody, frankly speaking.
बिल्कुल।
तो publisher के पास जा कर तो that's how it happened, and I've yet to realize those dreams, but I'm working on it.
Okay.
Good question. Go ahead.
So, sir, as of now, what's your current mental state? Like, as a person, as an author, as a grandparent, what are the things which you are focusing upon? Like, आप किन चीजों पर भी focus कर रहे हैं अपनी daily life में?
There is no focus in terms of this is what it is. I'm still a child. I'm still playful. I'm naughty, and I live my life, and I want to live like this forever. As long as I can manage it. That's what is my motto, has always been, that live the moment and live whatever in front of you. At the same time, you create certain things also which you can live further. So for example, अभी writing हो गई है, so next 5 to 10 years time, as I said, 3 years or 5 years का तो plan बन चुका है मेरा. So I'll be working on promoting this book and this funda all over, wherever I can, and I hope it grows. That's what is because so far there have been only positive comments from anybody and everybody. So which encourages me to go further. So I'll be focusing on this. And apart from that, I don't know whether I have written a book. In fact, the last chapter in the book is similarities between life, golf, and spirituality. That's the final chapter. So that's why oneness का भी उधर आया है. तो I'm a crazy golfer, an avid golfer, what you call. So golfing is my top priority. In fact, the family feels I give more priority to golf than. But that's problem with all the golfers. So golfing, family life, promoting this concept and spreading the message, and last but not the least, try to work on the effectiveness to oneness. ये चार चीजें हैं. That's what I feel I'm looking at currently.
So my last question to you of this podcast is like, बहुत सारे लोग अभी इस पॉडकास्ट सुनने के बाद हो सकता है लिखना स्टार्ट करें, या बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे सुन रहे होंगे जिन्होंने अपना फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट अभी तक शेयर नहीं किया है, उनके लैपटॉप में, उनके डायरी में पड़ा हुआ है. तो फॉर देम व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस, लाइक आप उन्हें क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे अगर इफ दे वांट टू लिसन इट फ्रॉम यू?
Advice to the new writers on the block, right? In what sense? In writing? Can you repeat the question, please?
सर, जैसे कि बहुत सारे लोग इस पॉडकास्ट को सुनेंगे, या फिर आपके भी अगर कोई जानने वाला इसको सुनेगा, तो अगर वो भी लिखना चाहे तो उसके लिए आपकी क्या एडवाइस रहेगी? या अगर वो लिख चुका है और जैसे डर रहा है कि जैसे यू कैन से कि अगर रिलीज हुई लोगों को नहीं पसंद आई, या कुछ अगर नहीं अच्छा हुआ तो क्या होगा, इन सारी चीज़ों के बीच में अगर वो इंसान फंसा हुआ है, तो उसके लिए आपकी क्या एडवाइस होगी फॉर द न्यू ऑथर?
तो आपके सवाल के आई थिंक 3-4 अलग अलग ये हैं,
सब पार्ट
डिविजन्स हैं. तो मैं अगर एड्रेस करूं चलेगा उस तरह से?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर.
ओके, एज ए राइटर अगर आपने कुछ लिखा नहीं है, लिखना चाहते हो, तो जरूर थॉट प्रोसेस डालो, बट जो भी लिख रहे हो यू शुड एंजॉय इट. देयर शुड बी कन्विक्शन इन इट, देयर शुड बी कंटेंट, एंड यू हैव टू लिव द बुक as a reader, write the book as a reader, and enjoy the process. अगर आप लिखना चाहते हो तो ये अगर नहीं है, और आप सामने वाले की सोच के नहीं लिख रहे हो, खुद के ख्यालों में ही लिख रहे हो, ये चल जाएगा. You might have some problems later on. So always having written what you think, read it as a reader yourself. ये मेरा एक फंडामेंटल. और कंटेंट चाहिए, फ्लो चाहिए, लैंग्वेज चाहिए, एंड प्रोसेस फॉलो करके उसको लिखना है. रीड, राइट, रीराइट till I would say you are exhausted. So what in this you are doing is that you are respecting the reader in the first instance itself. तो उसको क्या चाहिए, वो क्या चलेगा, फ्लो आ रहा है कि नहीं, रीडिंग आ रही है कि नहीं है, कंटेंट स्टोरी टेलिंग में जा रहा है कि नहीं है. और ये अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए आप चूंकि एंजॉय कर रहे हो, प्यार से लिखते हो, you write it with love then, and automatically you weave a garland then of all the various flowers strewn around. uska aap ek garland banao. That's the way as a writer, and conviction, enthusiasm chahiye, just go for it. Having done that, now a lot of people, if you think that writers make money, I don't think they spend money. In fact, आपने जो बोला ना, आपके बचपन में गांव में पब्लिशिंग खुद किया, खुद लगाया, तो खर्चा है और पैसा नहीं है, क्योंकि उस जमाने में भी, हमारे जमाने में भी, पीपल यूज्ड टू से ना, ये राइटर है यार, फकीर आदमी है, क्यों? So let me be very very clear, but I think it applies, you see, also 80-20 रूल जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, कि सभी तो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगे ना, तो 80% तो फेलियर ही रहता है. But that should not stop you from curtailing, because you could be 20%. Why you should be negative at the start? Give it a start, give it the push, and having said that, publisher के पास जाइए. Before taking a bigger step, ask few people in the field. As आपने जैसा बताया, उस जमाने में कोई बताता नहीं था, but people like you, as Gaurav, you are sharing that you want to share with the new people the things, so that they don't go through the hardships which you went through, correct? तो वो है. and आजकल I think you will subscribe to with me, including your podcast, social media, various channels, whether you Google anywhere, Quora. I think if I'm not wrong, today's generation has plethora of information.
True.
YouTube, correct?
बिल्कुल.
So find out, surf and try to analyze and put things together. And once you are convinced, yes, this is me, this is what I want, this is what succeeds, work on it and evolve. You may fail, again try, till you feel that I'm completely exhausted, this is not my forte. Even that can happen. After having written the book may not reach people. Fair enough. To give you an example, there are some people who wrote the book and the book became famous after they were dead. Agree or no?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Cases भी हैं क्या ना?
बिल्कुल.
तो और जिसने बनाया उसको पैसे नहीं मिले लेकिन उसके नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को मिले. So it's your own conviction in what you want to do in life and feel you're a writer. You all these ingredients, go for it. That's what I would say. Well, it's for your own satisfaction, not for the people. And as you were asking the question last, लोग क्या बोलेंगे? लोग तो कुछ भी बोलेंगे. तो लोगों को बोलने के लिए तो है, but you should be able to pick up what is good for you and what is bad for you and improvise the good part. And if it's bad, overcome it. And if somebody is commenting just like that, ignore it. But all criticism is not bad.
Agree.
You have to analyze what is good for me within that zone and where I have erred. तो वो अगर नजरिया रखोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ईगो भी बाजू जाता है ना. हाँ यार, ये does that anybody else says anything, you have to just think, does it make sense to me? Will I benefit? What is in it for me? If I'm benefiting, accept it. If it is harming me, ignore it. That's the way it should be. So as far as people but seek what I would say from anybody, mostly third parties rather than friends, what we call a constructive review or comment or an understanding on the issue. Anything that helps. Constructive, I repeat, when you discuss also with one who knows about the business. And there are a lot of good Samaritans who share in today's world their expertise on various aspects.
बिल्कुल.
And that sums it up.
Okay.
For the newcomers.
Okay.
I'm myself a newcomer, so I have no authority to speak. But whatever I've spoken is what I went through myself. I'm going through myself, so I'm not an expert in any matter. I'm just a learner throughout my life, and I'll keep learning till the end. That's why the next book is under process in learning.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed this episode, and if you do, then do follow our podcast, Reading the Author, available on all the leading podcast platforms. And don't forget to buy and read the book. आप जस्ट Amazon पे जाएं, वहाँ पे सर्च करें सतीश शितूत सर की बुक आ जाएगी. ज़रूर खरीदें, पढ़ें और अपने जानने वालों के साथ, चाहने वालों से ज़रूर शेयर करें. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on our show. Thank you for enlightening us with your words.
Thanks, Gaurav. And rule the world with rule.